There. Propane accessories.
Yeah, propane and propane accessories.
Can't come at Bobby. I mean, it was right there. I had to go for it. I also saw de-icer.
Yeah.
We all need some de-icer as well.
I've heard they have a great assistant manager there.
I guess so.
Yeah, there we go. Sold me some good propane and propane accessories.
This time of the year.
You know, and honestly, Neil, it is a great evening and going to be a great day tomorrow to binge watch some King of the Hill because this is what we're dealing with.
I'm telling you, scrape that off.
Yeah, scrape that off the tower cam. Yeah, Neil can do that. But here's our sky view. You can see icy conditions right now, even in South Tyler. But folks, it gets much worse as you move further off to the north and to the northwest. But we're starting to see issues in South Tyler now because these temperatures have fallen into the lower 30s. Now, this is a reading from Tyler Pounds Airport to the northwest of downtown. We are at 31 degrees. That was the last temperature check. Winds are north-northeast at 8 miles per hour. But here is the major issue. We're starting to see more and more power outages. This is from that ice accretion and accumulation on power lines and also broken tree branches falling on those power lines, disabling them. That is really wreaking havoc on our northwestern counties. Look at this. Hopkins County, 6,000 people without power now. And in Smith County, we've got about 8,500 people without power. Henderson County, again, that's where Athens is. It's about 6,500 people without power. But the precipitation has tapered off for now, but we've got additional rounds on the way. You can see from Corsicana to Terrell, temperatures are in the 20s, but this is moving in our direction as we speak. Those road temperatures, this is what really creates the problem. The colder these road temperatures are, the more issues we are going to see. So if you see your city and you are below 32 degrees, I would highly recommend you stay off the roads this evening because it's going to be dangerous going outside in that. 30s and 40s for Deep East Texas, so no real concerns there with the exception of wet roadways, which could be a little slippery. Now, for the remainder of this event, this is through tomorrow morning, we could still see light to moderate impacts with that ice that will continue to fall. In the orange, that's moderate impacts. That would be Tyler, Mineola, Gilmer, Mount Pleasant. So the main highways in this region would be Highway 271, 155 from Tyler to Gilmer, Highway 69 to Tyler to Mineola. That's where we could see a lot of those elevated surfaces like your bridges and overpasses being iced over. Now, here is what's happening according to Live Viper radar for East Texas. We still have that drizzle out to our west, and we continue to see some freezing rain and freezing drizzle across our central counties. It got real bad in Smith County when that sleet started to mix in, and between Highway 64 and Highway 110, that is in this area of town right here. The power was out, and that's around Tyler High School, so we'll continue to monitor those power outages, but we're seeing a little bit of a break in the activity, which should provide us with a little bit of relief. But most of that precipitation has now moved to the northeast, and you can still see some icy spots from Mount Pleasant down to Gilmer. That's Highway 271, and then Highway 155 from Gilmer to the Highway 259 and 155 intersection that takes you up into Dangerfield and Naples in Morris County. We could see some icy spots there because we've seen precipitation and those temperatures are at or below freezing. Henderson County, we're seeing power outages there and some reported icy spots as well, so please be very careful if you're traveling in that direction. Hour by hour tonight, we could see some drier air moving into the area, which will provide us a break in the precipitation. This is midnight tonight. Note the temperatures, though. Dangerous driving conditions expected where we are at or below 32 degrees, and that's mainly in our northwestern counties. By 6 o'clock in the morning, temperatures still below freezing. We may start to warm above freezing by noontime tomorrow. That is when the winter weather advisory and winter storm warning are said to expire, but more precipitation is on the way for tomorrow afternoon. But if, keyword if here, the temperatures remain above freezing, it should be in the form of rain, and it should help to melt some of that ice off of those elevated surfaces where we have seen that. But here are your weather hazards through tomorrow. I do expect some icing on the main roads where we could see those temperatures in the 20s. That includes northwest Smith County into northwest Anderson County. Also the community of Athens, Canton, Emory, Sulphur Springs, Mineola, up to about Mount Pleasant and Mount Vernon. That's where we are going to see the worst of the impacts. Now, further to the southeast of that, Palestine, Jacksonville, Tyler, Gilmer, Longview, we're going to see some icy spots on those bridges and overpasses, and then it's mainly wet roads for deep East Texas with those temperatures remaining above that freezing mark. We get through more rain on Thursday. It's just a plain old rain because temperatures will be above freezing by then, but 50s Friday and Saturday, transitioning into 60s Sunday and Monday, so it looks like a beautiful weekend through Sunday. Another chance of rain next Tuesday. Deep East Texas, similar deal. Temperatures in the 40s Wednesday and Thursday, but it should stay all rain there, and then we finally dry out Friday. Neil?
Our viewers